Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our topic is compound bars. A bar consisting of two or more material can be called as a compound or composite bar. Now consider a bar as shown in figure, of which one is made of steel and another is made of brass. These two bars have been rigidly connected to each other at its end such that the deformation of both the bar will always remain same. So such a bar system can be called as compound or composite bars. Now in this composite bar, if we apply any load P, the loads shared by steel and brass bar will be different, and it cannot be determined simply by the principles of static equilibrium, since the static equilibrium equation that can be used in solving this problem is summation of Fx is equal to 0, and there are two unknown reactions with the load shared by steel and the load shared by brass. So we have two unknowns and only one equation. So such kind of structure is called as statically indeterminate structure. So now for statically indeterminate structure, applying the static equilibrium equation, which is a force balance equation, we get PS plus PB is equal to P. Now since the load applied on this composite bar is a tensile load shared by the steel and brass bar will also be tensile. So we have PS plus PB is equal to P. With the static equilibrium equation alone, we cannot solve this problem. We cannot determine the two loads developed in the steel and brass bar. So we make use of another equation called as compatibility equation, which is nothing but the deformation equation. Now as we know, as the load is applied, both the steel and brass bar will be subjected to tensile load, and both the steel and brass bar will elongate, and the elongation of both the bar will be same. So we have this compatibility equation as delta L of steel bar is equal to delta L of brass bar. So if we write the formula of delta L, we get PS LS upon AS ES is equal to delta LB is PB LB upon AB EB. Now ES and EB will be different for the two material. LS and LB is same, equal to L. PS upon AS will be your sigma S, LS upon AS. Now PS by AS we can write it as sigma S, which is a stress developed in steel bar, into L upon ES, and PB upon AB will be the stress developed in brass bar, sigma B multiplied by L upon EB. So this equation is called as your compatibility equation. So the static equilibrium equation as well as the compatibility equation are together used to solve the problems of compound bars or composite bars. Now in this figure, we have one arrangement of this two bars, that is steel and brass. We can have another arrangement of two or more material in a compound or composite bar. We can have another kind of arrangement of this steel and brass bar as shown in a figure. Here steel and brass is connected to each other end to end. Now if suppose a load P acts on the composite bar as shown in a figure, upon drawing the free body diagram and applying the principle of superposition of forces, we get individual steel and brass bar is subjected to the load P. So we can write the load shared by steel bar and brass bar as PS is equal to PB is equal to P. Whereas the compatibility equation for this case will be total elongation of the bar delta L will be delta L of steel plus delta L of brass as shown in a figure. So this kind of arrangement is called as bars in series. Whereas in the previous case, this arrangement is called as bar in parallel. So for bars in parallel, these are the two equations which is used to solve the problem. Whereas for bars in series, these are the two formulas which is used to solve the problem. Equation 1 can be called as a static equilibrium equation, whereas equation 2 can be called as your compatibility equation. Thanks for watching In 5 Minutes.